Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another video, and today we'll talk about the latest upcoming iPhone 14 and the price point as well as the changes. And before we start, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we will let you all the updates about the latest phones and iPhones also. The most important changes in this generation may be the front, not in the back. I mean, I really love this change a lot because of the notch actually killing a lots of vision when it comes to enjoying a full screen show. For the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, they are not giving any notches, so that is a good decision from my side, I think. Also, anyway, they are expected to switch from a notch to a dual punch hole design. As you can see in the video, the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro Max will likely stick with the notch, but they should be at least get a bumper up to 120 Hz refresh rate. So that is a great achievement by iPhone. There will be the 26.1 inches model and a 26.7 inches model. That's right, the mini is out, a non Pro Max is in. So that's a pretty thumbs up work for the iPhone. I mean, for the Apple. Keeping with the tradition, only the Pro models will have a third camera on the back, as they always do this. The fourth generation, the 14th generation will miss out a periscope cameras, but this is reported to feature an upgraded main camera with a 48 megapixel sensor. This should be enable 4K video rendering and better digital zoom. The camera bumps on the two Pro models are expected to be bigger and thicker than the 13 Pro Duo, likely to accommodate the new camera hardware. The non-Pro models may stick with the same camera hardware, but it goes further than that. We have seen rumors that they will use the Apple A15 chipset, while the Pros will get the new A16 latest chipsets. The new chip should bring extra processing power to handle the 4K rendering as well as the video capture, which means there need more RAM. And indeed, when there is more RAM, there will be more money in it. Apple engineers are reportedly working on upgrading that to USB 3 speed up to 5 GB per second for the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. That is the next biggest challenge for them so far. 2022 iPhone 14 Pro models are expected to eliminate the notch in favor of some combination of a circular hole punch cutout for the camera paired with a pill-shaped cutout. This changes is expected to be limited to the Pro models only, while the standard phone of iPhone 14 models will continue to feature the notch, and which is I actually don't like much. If we talk about the price range, it is quite higher than expected when it is come to some storage point of view, but it is all over, it is fine, because at the first release or initial release the price point will be slightly higher, then it will come down after the course of days or course of months and month. So as you can see, the price point is pretty decent for the latest iPhones, and as you can see, according to the storage, the ROM, it will increase slightly. I'm guessing that the standard phones will get the A15 chipset out of the Pro and the main and potentially ultra wide out of the Pro to make it seem even a slight upgrade. They can't charge more than $700 for the standard 14 though. iPhone is good, but it was priced correctly in just USA. For the rest of the world, the price was around $1,000 or even more. So this is actually global price, as you can see, and I'm really hope the price point will lower, because in our territory there will be another manufacturing ongoing for the latest iPhone. So I hope we'll have a cheaper version of iPhone, I mean in the price point, but in the other facilities it will be the same to same. I hope so. And yeah, that's all from today guys. Hope you all enjoy the video, and if you are new, just make sure you hit the subscribe button for more of the interesting videos. So see you guys soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.